Hi everyone. So, are you all doing good? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this video is basically everything you need to know about vitamin C. Okay. I'll be explaining to you what vitamin C is. I'll be talking about why it's important to use it on your skin. I'll be explaining to you how different skin types should use it, the concentration, that's the percentage of vitamin C that each skin type should use. Then I'll be talking about ingredients that you should not mix with vitamin C. Basically, everything you need to know about vitamin C. Why it's so important that you should have vitamin C in your skincare routine. Okay. Now, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chikelly. I am a certified esthetician, and my channel teaches you how to achieve glowing skin. So if you like, after watching this video, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button and the bell button, which is the notification button, so that you will not miss any activities on my channel. You will be notified. Okay. And for my regular visitors, I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Share this video, please. Share it, because when you share it, and when you click the like button as well, many people will get to see it and get the same benefit that you'll be getting. Good knowledge of skincare. Okay. Now let's get to the video. So, vitamin C is an antioxidant, and it can be found in fruits and vegetables, and also in cosmetics products. Vitamin C accelerates the production of collagen and elastin, and collagen and elastin is what keeps your skin looking healthy, plump, and firm. Okay, and regular use of vitamin C will keep your skin looking very smooth. So your skin will have a very smooth appearance, because vitamin C helps to even out skin tone. So if you're someone suffering from hyperpigmentation, vitamin C will help to fade those dark spots and those dark patches on your skin. Vitamin C prevents premature aging. So regular use of it on your skin will help your skin, like I said earlier, will have a smooth appearance. And when your skin has a smooth appearance, you will not see all those fine lines and wrinkles. We will age, but you don't really want to age prematurely. So that's what vitamin C is going to stop your skin from aging prematurely. Because when you have high percentage of collagen and elastin, your body is going to stop your body from experiencing signs of premature aging. Okay. Now, one thing I love too about vitamin C is it helps to fight free radicals. So if you have sun damage on yours, vitamin C will help to stop your skin from getting sun damage. Okay. So this is one of the reasons why I recommend that you use vitamin C during the daytime. But as this video goes along, I'll explain to you why vitamin C is highly recommended to use during the daytime instead of using it at night. Okay. So where can you find vitamin C? Vitamin C can be found in serums, cleansers, oils, and moisturizers. Okay, so you can buy any of these products that contains vitamin C. So how do you use vitamin C in skincare? Preferably, it's good to apply vitamin C during the daytime. The reason is because it will help your skin from getting damaged by sunlight, because sunlight is one of the causes of premature aging. Okay, so when you're going out during the daytime, you apply your vitamin C on your face. After application, make sure it's absorbed very well on your skin before you go outside. The reason is because vitamin C breaks down when exposed to light, so it will make it a little bit more less effective. That's the reason why it's always good to, after application, you let vitamin C absorb on your skin. Just give it like 1 or 2 minutes before you now go outside. Another thing is, be very cautious if you have sensitive skin before applying vitamin C to avoid irritation on your skin. Okay, so my advice is that for those of you with sensitive skin, you do like a patch test on your skin first. Do like a patch test, like 24 hours patch test before using it, so it doesn't create irritation or on your skin. It doesn't cause more harm than good on your skin. Okay, for sensitive skin. Another thing, like if you have sensitive skin too, when you finish applying your vitamin C, let's say the serum, you make sure you layer it with a moisturizer, and then after that you put your SPF, just so you don't get irritation on your skin. Okay, this is very, very important, so make sure you note it down. It's very important. So when purchasing vitamin C, especially serum, make sure you purchase the one in a dark bottle to help maintain its efficiency and stability, because vitamin C breaks down when exposed to light and air. Okay, it's very, very important you purchase the one in a dark bottle. Although most of vitamin C serums and moisturizer usually comes in dark bottles, but it's very important that you know this, because it will help your vitamin C to stay to last longer, the effect to last longer on your skin. Okay, so how do you use the right concentration of vitamin C for your skin type? For dry and sensitive skin, because vitamin C, the concentration ranges from 5% to 30%. So for dry and sensitive skin, I recommend that you use nothing more than 5%. Okay, nothing more than 5%, because like your skin is dry and your skin is sensitive, so you don't want to use high concentration, so that it will not cause problem on your skin. But for other skin type, combination skin, oily skin, people with hyperpigmentation issues, you can use anything between 5% to 20%. I don't think you should go more than 20%. The reason is because anything higher than 10% is still going to give you the same effect as 20%. So there's no need of going higher than 20%. So between 5 to 20% is good. Will work very, very well on your skin. Now, which ingredients should not be used with vitamin C? The first one is benzoyl peroxide, because benzoyl peroxide oxidizes vitamin C, so it makes it less effective when you use it on your skin. So do not and never, see the way my hands goes, never ever mix benzoyl peroxide with vitamin C together. You can use it separately. You can use vitamin C in the morning, and then benzoyl peroxide at night, but do not mix them together. Another ingredient you should never mix with vitamin C is retinol, because retinol and vitamin C, they both do the same thing, so their work is the same. When used together, then both of them becomes less effective on your skin. So it's usually advised that you use them separately, okay, because it's going to be less effective. So what's the need of wasting your product putting on your skin when it does nothing for you? Okay, now I hope you like this video, my favorite people. Before I go, let me apply my own vitamin C. This is my own vitamin C. It feels so good. Look at that. Look at how my skin is glowing. It feels good. Over my head, it feels good. I love it. Okay, so this is my vitamin C. I never miss using my vitamin C. Every morning I put it on. I put hyaluronic acid first, and then I put vitamin C on top. Good skincare. And your skin will just keep glowing. Keep that skin glowing. Look after your skin. Treat your skin right, and your skin will treat you right. I love you so much, my favorite people. And make sure you share this video, subscribe, click the like button, and keep that skin glowing. I so look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care. Mwah.